tackle those tough projects with multiple complex radiuses without ever slowing down, thanks to the G1071 1 horsepower oscillating spindle sander. Our G1071 spindle sander features a heavy-duty welded cabinet stand with a slender base, allowing for easy 360-degree access around the spacious 25-inch by 25-inch precision ground cast iron table. The G1071 table tilts 45 degrees and 15 degrees and securely locks into place. The heavy-duty 1 horsepower motor provides the power you need to tackle nearly any job, and it can be wired for 240-volt operation. With 72 oscillations per minute and an impressive 1.5-inch oscillation stroke length, the G1071 helps ensure you quickly get a smooth finish without heat buildup. The G1071 includes 10 sanding drums sized from 1/4 inch to 4 inches, all ready to go with 100 grit sleeves, and Grizzly offers an array of grit options for each drum size. This oscillating spindle sander is perfect for both the professional and serious hobbyist and is available on Grizzly.com.